going on, guys? Turtleplay here, back with another video. Today it is how to make Kylo Ren's voice. I did a small community vote thing, and out of the 8 people who voted, the majority, 75% of them, voted for a Star Wars voice. I know it's not May 4th anymore. At the time of recording it is May 5th, which is one day past. But who cares? Every day is Star Wars Day if you want it to be. And without further ado, let's get into this. Sorry for the long intro. Yeah, let's go. Alright, you're gonna need 5 things for Kylo Ren's voice. Simple. You'll need a resonator, distortion, reverb, pitch, and high pass. So the 5 things you're gonna need. Once you have those, I'll roll down the numbers. So what you're gonna need is you need a mix for resonator. You're gonna need a mix of 19, time 25, feedback 14, and volume 36. Now if we move down to distortion, what you're gonna need is a mix of 58, drive of 12, and a volume of 18. And let's move one more down to reverb, and you're going to need a mix of 44 and a room size of 3. Down again, go to pitch. You'll need a mix of 72 and a pitch of 38. Humanizer off. And then we go to high pass, mix of 59 and a frequency of 96. This doesn't sound the greatest in the world, but you can always edit that to your heart's content. You think it can be better, you can change it. I don't care. This is what I made. Now let's get on to a demonstration of how this sounds, and you can judge me in the comments on how good and or bad it is. Let's go.
I feel it again. The pull to the light. Show me, grandfather, and I'll finish what you started. Don't be afraid. I feel it too. You know, I can take anything I want. I've given everything to you. To the dark side. I'm being torn apart. I want to be free of this pain. Blast that piece of junk out of the sky. Let the past die. Kill it if you have to. It's the only way to become what you were meant to be. You're not alone. You can't hide, Rey. Not from me. You're nothing, but not to me. I never lied to you. Your son is gone. He was weak and foolish, like his father.
That was Kylo Ren's voice. Yeah. If you liked it, leave a like. If you didn't, leave a dislike. Doesn't really matter to me. And if you have any suggestions of other voices you want me to do, put them in the comments. I had a bunch that I was working on, but unfortunately Voicemod for some reason reset them, so I lost all my voices. I have just this one and 2 other ones that I worked on and just wanted them back because I liked them. Yeah, so I need some new ones, new suggestions down there. If you have anything, throw them down there. I'll attempt to do it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Have a great morning, evening, or good night. Goodbye.